Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M32 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. Now at the first place we have press volume keys to option, so when we tap on it, we can decide to take a picture or record video, which is now zoom in or out, or control system volume. So now let me change this to zoom in or out to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and let me try to use these buttons once again, maybe on this view. And as you can see, now by tapping on them, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back so I can use zoom. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.